In nature, penguins engage in a simple courtship ritual where a male penguin, as part of its daily routine, offers a single pebble to a female penguin to win her affection. If the female accepts the pebble, the pair proceeds to mate and form a lifelong bond. However, human interactions are far more complex than this straightforward approach. Understanding what draws individuals to each other is a nuanced endeavor, yet significant progress has been made in deciphering these intricacies. Reflecting on my own experiences growing up, I found myself infatuated with multiple girls over time. However, frustratingly, these feelings were often unreciprocated. Instead, it seemed that the girls I admired were more attracted to guys who exhibited little or no interest in them. Conversely, there were instances where girls displayed unmistakable signs of affection towards me, but I didn't share the same level of interest in them. My attention was fixated on those who seemed disinterested in reciprocating my feelings. The crux of my struggle lay in a lack of understanding of what truly captivates the attention of girls. Many of my male friends faced similar challenges, relying on luck rather than a comprehensive understanding of attraction. It wasn't until I grasped this fundamental truth that my romantic endeavors began to yield more favorable outcomes. It all started with a chance encounter at the gym one ordinary day. From the moment I stepped into that gym, it became more than just a place to work out. It became my sanctuary of confidence. The boost in confidence I experienced there spilled over into every aspect of my life, shaping me into a more assured individual. Within those gym walls, I found solace in being myself, able to relax and feel at ease in the presence of others. Then, after approximately a year of frequenting the gym, I crossed paths with a captivating girl. In her presence, effortlessly and without exerting much effort, I could elicit laughter and joy. Despite her undeniable beauty, my romantic interest was non-existent, as I was already romantically involved with someone else at the time. However, as time passed, I noticed a shift in her behavior. She began to pursue me. Realizing the need for a change in scenery, I made the decision to switch gyms. I took drastic measures, altering my contact information and even adjusting my appearance to evade her attention. While I jest about discarding my favorite red sneakers, the truth remains that I simply relocated to a different gym, seeking a fresh start. When a girl sits down to watch TV, she likes shows that stir up emotions, like Teen Mom or The Bachelor. And older women often enjoy soap operas. Why? Because these shows make them feel something. Guys, on the other hand, usually watch sports, cars, or maybe even the Discovery Channel if they are a bit nerdy. Girls crave emotions, especially the good ones. Studies even say that the more emotional a situation, the more likely a girl is to remember it. That's why I suggested in earlier videos that if you want a girl to remember hanging out with you, do something thrilling together. The most charming guys, the ones who seem to effortlessly impress any girl, are those who know how to make girls feel happy and comfortable emotionally. But it's not always easy. Girls can be super sensitive, and saying the wrong thing can lead to a big emotional blow-up. So, it's best to avoid that if you can. So, how do you get a girl feeling the right emotions? Just be positive and make her laugh. But to do that well, you need to feel comfortable around her. If that's tricky for you, focus on building that comfort first. It's all about playing to your strengths and finding a place where you feel at ease chatting with girls. What I figured out at the gym is that girls really connect with how you make them feel. If you're able to make them feel good and positive when they're around you, they'll start linking those good vibes with you, and that can make them more attracted to you. It would be awesome if getting a girl's attention was as easy as giving her a little gift like a penguin does with a pebble, but it's not that simple for us humans. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.